Welcome back to my channel. We are still working on sketching of isometric views of the object when we are given the orthographic views of the object, and right now I'm going to work on this. So these are orthographic views. These are orthographic views. We want to produce the isometric view by freehand sketching, and as you can see here, these views are given in first angle projection. This is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. Okay, and if you look at dimensions, as I've said before, that we have to sketch in proportion to the given dimensions, and we only make use of three materials: drawing paper, as you can see here, eraser, and drawing pencil. So I have everything in place here. So let's start. So looking at this, so this is the lowest point. Very important. It would have been said in the instruction as we have here that we should make x the lowest point. So this is point x, the lowest point. So first of all, what I'm going to do is that I first of all produce this shape here in the front elevation, excluding this one, but I'll produce this shape. So and then I'll make use of what we have in the plan and what we have in the end elevation. So I'll be explaining that as the drawing, as the work progress. So okay, so the first thing that we have to do here, as usual, so we draw a horizontal line like this, and also so I'll make a line goes in this direction, and I also have another line that goes in this direction. Okay, so after that, then as I've shown you the shape that I want to produce, this is the shape. So this vertical line, I'm going to draw it, and it's this. So from this point, don't forget that this is the lowest point. Okay, so this line like this, so this is okay. So I've drawn the line. So the next thing I'm going to do is that, as I said, that I'm producing this shape, so I will take the distance from here to here. So you are not measuring, don't forget that you are not using our ruler to take the measurement. So this will be enough for 20 millimeters here. Then I'm going to take this line in this direction. So and I will also make this to go up a bit. So I will take this line in this direction like this. Okay, so this should be okay from here to here. So all right, so I have this. So this is the shape that I showed you in the front elevation, which is this shape. I produced the shape. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is to that I will take this line. So this line, I will take it to this side. Okay, then this also I will take it to this side. So this point also should be taken to this side like this. So I will be showing you what we are going to produce here. So here I will bring this line, let it go a bit. So I'll bring this line down like this. Okay, and don't forget that our lines should be parallel to each other. You have to try as much as possible to make sure the lines are parallel to each other, as you can see it as I'm doing it here. So let's complete this one. So we are not going to make use of all, we still rub off some parts, or maybe I need to increase this a bit for a reason. Okay, so okay, so this goes in a bit. So and then I'm going to bring this down. Okay, so and this can, so I produce this to this side, as you can see. Okay, so I'm still need to rub off some things, but let's leave it like this for now. So if you look at the plan, though this shape that we have in the plan, it occupies this part here like this. It occupies this part. This part is meant for it. So this rectangle is meant for it, and this point that we have here, this point that we have here, there is a line, and that line is this. So the line that we have here is this line that we have here. So we are going to take, and then this is the shape that we see for this in the end elevation. we see this shape, and this line that we have as short dashes line is the line as this point, which is what we have here. So I believe you are following that. So let's quickly work that out. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I will draw this horizontal line, this line that we have here. So I produce it like this. Okay, that's the line. So next thing I'm going to do is that, so I will draw a line at this point like this. Okay, so I will also draw a line at this point, and we need to rub it off later. So then I will join this together like this. Then I need to produce it forward, so it goes forward like this. So I may still need to rub off some things. I will rub that off when I'm done. So this goes like this. Okay, so let me rub this off. Let me rub this off, and let me rub this off. Okay, and then I will need to rub off this line. So okay, so now, so this line that I'm trying to take forward, so I'm going to terminate it at this point, and then I will draw this line like this here. So I terminate it here, and I draw this line like this, join it to this point like this. So I will need to take this to this side. Then I will also take it from here. So end it here like this. So I need to rub this off. So I believe you can see what I'm doing. So freehand sketching is simple. So you just need to practice it. When you practice it, you master it, as I've said before. Okay. All right. So there is something here that we have here. So we have this shape. We have this shape in the plan around here. Around there, we have it around there. So what I'm going to do is that, so I will just so mark this here. So I will join this together like this. Then bring this down here. Then I'm going to take it like this. So can you see the way I'm doing it? So I will need to rub this off. Okay, so looking at what I've done here, so the work is simple. Alright, so as you can see here, so we have produced the shape. So this is the lowest point as we are instructed in the question. Okay, so I'm trying to make it look better. So this is the object. We have sketched it, and it's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you master it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. God bless you.